Hi, today I want to talk about this video on feminism that recently went viral.
Today, I want to talk to all of those who propagate this agenda of feminism.
Hi Divyangana, this is Zaina here and I'm a feminist and I'm listening.
First things first, I'm against feminism. अगर आपका ये कॉन्सेप्ट लॉजिकल होता, अगर ये वही होता जो आप दिखाते हैं, अगर जो आप पेपर पे लिखते हैं, तो मैं मान लेती.
First of all, I think people making videos about feminism should not confuse it with pseudo-feminism or misandry.
Feminism for me is about lifting women up. It's not a race against any gender or it is not against any gender.
If you think feminism is not logical, I'm here to question what do you mean by logic?
लेकिन आपका तो वर्ड ही फेमिनिज्म है. फेमिनिन, मैन तो आए, हाँ? तो आपका इक्वालिटी का जो पिलर, जो आपका स्तंभ था मेन, वो तोड़ गया यार.
हर चीज में men आने की जरूरत क्यों है? वैसे भी हमारे पास वुमेन तो ऑलरेडी है ही, right? By getting into such conversations, we are belittling the entire discussion of empowerment.
तुम्हें क्या लगता है हर आदमी को रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है? नहीं यार, उनको भी जूते पड़ते हैं घर पे अगर कुछ काम नहीं करते हो, ठीक है? बट अगर यही चीज तुम्हारे साथ हो ना तो तुम फेमिनिज्म चिल्लाओगे.
Are you justifying domestic abuse? According to me, किसी को भी जूते नहीं पड़ने चाहिए, चाहे वो लड़का हो चाहे वो लड़की. और अगर किसी औरत को जूते पड़ रहे हैं और वो फेमिनिज्म चिल्लाती है, then it's her right. When a man faces domestic violence, he should fight against it too. So do not justify domestic abuse of any kind on anybody. This whataboutism cannot work. कि what about men? कि ये आदमी के साथ भी होता है, उसका क्या? आदमी के साथ भी होता है तो वो भी गलत ही होता है.
अगर किसी ने एक लड़की को ये बता दिया that your vest is out, so that girl will not respond thank you, I'll put it in. She'll say तुम भी पहन लो, तुम्हारी भी दिखेगी. हद है भाई, मतलब तुम्हें कोई नॉर्मली भी नहीं बता सकता कि मतलब you know there's something wrong.
Excuse me, your bra strap is showing.
I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm. What can I say?
For you, the normal accepted behavior is कि एक लड़के ने कमेंट किया कि तुम्हारी ब्रा स्ट्रैप दिख रही है तो दूसरी लड़की ने उसको छुपा ली. That's the expected behavior, right? कि उसने बोला तो तुमने छुपा लिया. Don't you think you're being judgmental here? Why should you be judging how people dress, what they are comfortable with, and what they are not?
You know there are many males who are also molested. The cases just don't come up. आप उन्हें तो वॉइस नहीं करते. अब मैं बोलूँ?
This is a very unsubstantiated statement. Anybody who's against rape will stand against rape or any sort of abuse. So this statement is completely unfounded and it's not based on people's ideological preferences on feminism or any other ideology.
Please यार, मतलब ये बोलना तो बंद कर दो respect to women. Why? Just because you're a woman? How would you get respect just because you're of a particular gender? You will get respect when you learn it. And अगर आप वो नहीं कर सकते then earn a name. Earn a position. Do something to get that.
As of today, it will take 33 years for women to reach a point to get equal pay as men across industries. Let's not talk about equal opportunities when things are lopsided towards men. Equal ground to create करना पड़ेगा ना पहले. Of course, everybody is trying to earn that position, but we all know that there is patriarchy, there is tradition, conservative behavior, and every single day women are stopped from doing what they want to do. If you don't want to get married, तो लोग क्या कहेंगे? If you don't want to have a child, oh, you're such a bad woman. If you wear short clothes, obviously you're going to get raped. And of course, we're going to earn a position. The statement that you made reeks of privilege because there are gazillion women out there who still suffer because of arguments like this. They neither have access nor do they have the opportunity. And more importantly, उनको कोई कुछ करने ही नहीं देता यार. You call yourself an equalist, but with that you're making the assumption that women are equal. But are we equal today? Do women get the same access, the same liberty as many men in their families do? Do women get the option to study as much we want to wear the clothes that we want to marry the person of our choice? All of us don't have these options, to be honest. ये जो इतना शेयर किया है दिव्यांगना की वीडियो को, this harms all feminist philosophy because इसमें दिव्यांगना ने अपने ही self proclaimed definition बना ली है फेमिनिज्म की. इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि दिव्यांगना या और जितने भी लोग हैं ऑफ एनी जेंडर कि जब वो ऐसे इम्पोर्टेंट इश्यूज के बारे में बात करें तो वो अपना देखने का नजरिया थोड़ा ब्रॉड करे.
और हाँ, मैं इस वीडियो के बारे में दो साल से सोच रही थी बिकॉज ये मेरी इस पर बुक भी आ रही है, सो आई एम एडवर्टाइजिंग इट साइड बाय साइड.
जहां तक बात रही आपकी बुक की तो प्लीज थोड़ा और रिसर्च करें बिकॉज नोबडी वांट्स टू सी अनदर चेतन भगत mansplaining feminism in their book in the name of women empowerment.